Hello there. We'll look at dividing decimals. Question 1. 61.7 divided by 10. Now when you divide by 10, which has 1 0 after the 1, we move the decimal point one place to the left. So my answer is going to be, my new answer is 6.17. Question 2. Let's look at another one. 14.29 divided by 10. Well, we move the decimal point one place to the left. And here's my answer now. 1.429. Question 3. What about the number doesn't have a decimal point, or doesn't appear to have a decimal point? Well, we remember that any whole number has a hidden decimal point on the extreme right. So we move that one place to the left, and there's my answer, 1.3. Go through that again. Question 4. 715 divided by 10 equals. There at the very end, it's my hidden decimal point. Move it one place to the left to give 71.5. Now, let's look at one final case before I give you some to practice. Question 5. 8 divided by 10. Well, locate the hidden decimal point. So was it the rightmost? So it's to the right of the last whole number. Move it one place. So that's where it's going to be. But you don't write down 0.8. You can't begin a number with a decimal point. So we have to write a 0 in front, so it's 0.8. Now, I'm going to give you 5 to practice. If you could write these down as I'm writing them on the board here, if you will. There's a trick one at the end. See how you cope with that. Okay, if you put it on pause, have a go at these, and then press play again and we'll go through the answers. Okay, presuming that you've had an attempt at answering these questions, let's go through the answers. The first few are fairly straightforward. There's the decimal point being moved, so the answer is 9.47. If you've got that, give yourself a tick. This one here, move the decimal point one place to the left. And there's our answer, 5.028. Worthy of another tick. Question 8, we have to put in the decimal point, or imagine it's there. Then move it between the 4 and the 6 to get the answer, 4.6. Similar procedure here. We have to imagine that's the decimal point, and then, using our imagination, move it one place to the left, so there it is in front of the 7. So the answer is 0.7. But as has been pointed out earlier, you can't begin a number with the decimal point, so you have to put a 0 in front. Now, what happens here? Well, perhaps this is easier than the last two examples. We move the decimal point there, so our answer is 0.08. And you can't, as I said earlier, begin a number with a decimal point, so put the 0 there. And there we have it, how to divide decimals by 10. Thanks for listening.